me a little bit about like just for kids listening to this and they're like, how do I even get started into this? You know, they're at school and they're thinking, hey, this sounds better, like getting onto the buy side of like actually trading and taking directional bets. This sounds really exciting. How would they even go about doing that? Like, what's the best way to set themselves up?
Yeah. So for sure, I mean, nowadays, like all trading, we are more quantitative leading, and we have a lot more data stuff. So like you definitely want to have not just like an economics background, but you do want to have maybe, I mean, like at least some sort of like I code or do some Python or something like that.
Python, data analytics, SQL,
Exactly,
whatever.
because it's just going to help you like get through all of the data, right? Nowadays. And then after that, it's just like, okay, now is like, are you really interested in the physical side of the business or the paper side? If you're really interested in the paper side, you're just doing the exact same thing as the guy who wants to start out at the buy side at 0.72 or whatever, right? You're reading the right books, you're coming up with investment ideas, you're following the market, you're doing that. If you at some point you're like, no, I really am more interested in the physical side, then you either have to figure out, are you a really soft skill, salesy strength person, or are you going to be more of like a data heavy sort of person? And if you're more of a data heavy sort of person, you just have to start targeting those specific firms, right? So like, there's a couple oil and gas companies out there who are like known to, hire the top people from schools, UT Austin, places like that. But really they'll take anybody, right, who is quality.